What's up there Tarlakeños? It's me again, Alvin Bautistopia, exploring Tarlac. For today's vlog guys, naimbitahan tayo ng J1 Samji dito sa Barangay Binauganan, Tarlac City, or malapit sa may Jetta Road and College of the Holy Spirit. Nasa right side natin guys, nasa 3 minutes away lang naman tong J1 Samji. And kung nasa Jetta Road kayo, pag nakita nyo na itong But First Coffee, ayun siya. So 1 minute away guys, pasok kayo, mag right side kayo dito. And makikita mo na si J1 Samji. So mga ino-offer nila guys, meron silang unlimited Samji and unlimited chicken wings. And later guys, papakita ko rin sa inyo kung ano ba yung mga Japanese cuisines na ino-offer nila dito. Kung gusto nyo pumunta dito, open naman sila ng Monday to Sunday. So every Monday to Thursday guys, 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Every Friday to Sunday naman guys, open sila ng 10 a.m. to 11 p.m. And every weekends din, meron silang live performances or acoustic na magpe-perform dito. So 6 p.m. onwards guys. Good news Tarlakeños dahil nga nag-grand opening na itong J1 Samji. So open for franchise na sila for only 100k guys. So pwede na kayong magtayo ng business sa inyong lugar. Kung wala pang unlimited sanggipsal and unlimited chicken wings na nag-offer sa inyong mga municipalities, ito na yung perfect time para itayo yung business nyo ngayong taon. So PM lang kayo, J1 Samji, and lalagyan naman natin yung contact number nila. Infos and inquiries about sa pagpa-franchise ng J1 Samji. For sure guys, unlimited sanggipsal, unlimited chicken wings with side dishes, plus sa kanilang menu is meron silang mga Japanese cuisine.
We're starting a business because nandyan kayo as a couple. And dumami pa sana ito, mag-flourish pa sana. Pinagdasal niya ang lahat that this will succeed.
Ang business na ito, inahandog namin sa iyo sa pangalan ng Ama, ng Anak at ng Banal na Espiritu.
We know that you're very, very busy, and we would like to thank you for coming over. So we will now be starting our dedication for J1 Samji.
Hello to everyone! Andito po tayo sa J1 Samji. Opening nila today, inaugural nila. Alam po nyo, the food is good, service is good, and it's open for franchising. Masayang-masaya po ako na may nag-o-open ng ganitong mga businesses dito sa Tarlac City. Not only for the people of Tarlac City, but I encourage everyone in the whole Tarlac province to come and try this very beautiful place. Kaya mag-e-enjoy ang lahat dito kasi it's a different concept. It's a fusion of Korean and Japanese food. Kaya yung mga Japanese food lovers, Korean food lovers, this is the place must see and must try. Punta po kayo, andito na kami, every one of us will try the good food here. So, see you again. Bye!
Hey Tarlakeños, kung gusto nyo pasyalan tong si J1 Samji, inulit ko yung location niya dito sa Barangay Binauganan, Tarlac City. Malapit lang siya sa College of the Holy Spirit and 7 minutes away from SM City, Tarlac. So kailangan nyo lang i-Google Map. Open pala sila ng Monday to Thursday, 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. And every Friday to Sunday, open sila ng 10 a.m. to 11 p.m. Hanggang dito na lang. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and click the notification bell para updated kayo sa lahat ng videos ko. And huwag nyo kalimutang i-share ang video to para malaman din ng mga ibang Katarlakeños natin dyan itong bagong bukas na nag-o-offer ng murang unlimited sanggipsal and unlimited chicken wings plus side dishes. And yan, inulit ko, kung gusto nyo mag-franchise for only 100k, pwede nyo i-franchise tong si J1 Samji. So for more infos and inquiries, direct lang kayo ng PM sa kanilang Facebook page. So until our next vlog, Peace out.